sure the nail is from sidewall to sidewall. Step 1 to an encapsulated aquarium nail for Halloween. You want to make sure your nail tip is from sidewall to sidewall. So as you can see, the sidewall, the tip, right here is from sidewall. Go all the way over. And it's on the sidewall of that one too. That is the most important part because you don't want to have to build anything to risk it leaking from trial and error. Stay tuned. Okay, step 2. The bottom has been put on the nail. So as you can see, you just use a nail form. I connected it to the nail. I put some top coat on it, which I'm using IBD intensive top coat, and I'm also using gel bottle ink clear rubber top coat, which this is thebomb.com. If you have not got your hands on this, you need to get your hands on it because it is the bomb. Okay, but that's what I'm using to build the actual aquarium nail. So step 2, stay tuned. All right, this is step 3. We have shaped it. Now, not completely shaped it, but we shaped it enough so we can go ahead and seal it because we're going to do the final shaping after we fill the hole at the top. So right now the process is we're going to be stuffing the hole with all the garments that we want to put inside, okay? Step 3. Stay tuned. All right, part 4 is the fun stuff. So we are getting ready. So we've added the jewels, if you can see. And you see the top is still open, so we're going to get ready to add the oil. So I am going to put the oil in the syringe. And, okay, that's my sister right there, okay? Oh, okay. Shop shenanigans, okay? And so I'm going to fill it up with oil, and we are going to get this baby popping. And then once I fill it up with oil, we are going to secure it with a little spot that I made. So I just put a little top coat on one of these and peel it up, and that's what we're going to seal the actual hole with, okay? All right. Definitely got to make sure he watches the count because the closing date is extended because Kareem is added on, and they're gonna watch him. Okay. For 30 days. Okay. So we just gotta really make sure he not, you know what I mean, that he manages. You gonna talk to who? All right, we are almost there, you guys. Step 5. We have e-filed it into shape that we primarily wanted in before I'm gonna straighten that up. Just wanna make sure it's nice and even. Okay. Yeah. All right, let's get this party started. See it floating now already? Ow. All right, y'all, we have shaped it up. Sprayed it with a little alcohol, making sure everything good. Check the hole. We're good. All right. Step 6, you guys. And when I flew. Look at her. Yay. Oh, let me put my hand on that. Yay, you see it floating in there. Yay. Okay, it's hard for me to do it because I'm looking at the camera and it's kind of backwards, but you see it. Cute. We're going to paint the back. The last step, we're going to paint the back. Give it that coffin look. Almost to the end.